Can I cancel my BritBox free trial before it expires?
Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today, we'll be discussing an important question many of you may have. Can I cancel my BritBox free trial before it expires? Let's dive right in and find out.
Understanding BritBox free trial.
Before we get into canceling the BritBox free trial, let's quickly understand what it entails. BritBox is a popular streaming service that offers a wide range of British TV shows and movies. They often provide a free trial period to new subscribers, allowing them to explore the platform and its content without any charges.
Canceling BritBox free trial.
Now, let's talk about canceling your BritBox free trial before it expires. Yes, you can cancel your BritBox free trial before it expires if you decide it's not the right fit for you or if you simply want to avoid being charged once the trial period ends. To cancel your BritBox free trial, you'll need to follow these steps. 1. First, log into your BritBox account using the credentials you used to sign up for the free trial. 2. Once you're logged in, navigate to the account or profile settings. The exact location may vary depending on the device or platform you're using to access BritBox. 3. Look for an option that says Cancel Trial or something similar. Click on it to initiate the cancellation process. 4. BritBox may ask for a confirmation or provide additional information regarding the cancellation. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the cancellation process. 5. After canceling your BritBox free trial, make sure to keep an eye on your email for any confirmation or receipt regarding the cancellation. This way, you can ensure that the cancellation has been successfully processed.
Contacting BritBox support.
If you encounter any issues or difficulties while canceling your BritBox free trial, it's always a good idea to reach out to their customer support team. They can provide you with personalized assistance and guide you through the cancellation process. To contact BritBox support, visit their official website and look for the Contact or Help section. From there, you should be able to find their customer support information, such as their email address or phone number. In conclusion, it is indeed possible to cancel your BritBox free trial before it expires. Remember to follow the steps we discussed earlier. Log into your BritBox account, navigate to your account settings, find the cancellation option, and follow the on-screen instructions. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to contact BritBox support for assistance. We hope this video has been helpful in answering your question. If you have any more inquiries or topics you'd like us to cover, please let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more informative videos. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.